is a black camel.
Gotta love that smell. Why don't you just stick that thing in his ass?
I agree. That would be a sigh. No.
Camel's not very flammable.
Oh yeah, it is. The plastic's melting off. See how long it lasts.
No, I was gonna get something else started when that was around.
Oh. That's a good spot for it to drop. Get that leg going. All about time.
Come here, I'll show you me.
Ain't no lie.
Big camel, anybody?
Lightly toasted.
And I thought you were a good cook. You're charcoaling the goddamn thing.
You guys said you wanted it well done.
I think you need to stick it back in its ass.
Careful, there's a firecracker in there.
What?
I'm surprised it didn't light yet.
I know. Might have already went off.
I think it already did. It would have lit by now.
Yeah. Face the fire the other way. Do me a favor just for a few minutes. Like out of his ass. Thinking what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
One hell of a fart.
Yeah.
That was bad.
Gotta love the smell of plastic. I'm surprised that thing's lasted so long.
Good, Kevin. Didn't you know?
No, I'm with that.
Oh.
disappointed. I was expecting like a big.
Damn.
Well, not just that, but the camel itself is not really flammable.
No. Sure smells nice though.
It's really what lit was duct tape, and that kept it going for a little bit.
Still going though.
I figured the stuff inside him would go quick.
It must be a thick coating.
Stuff. Well, you'll be happy to know, along in your house fire, the only thing that survived was the ugly camel.
Smoking kill. Hence the camel.
Hey, if you're willing to waste one of your cigarettes, you can stick it in the mouth.
You should.
You pretty much wasted that one.
Gotta get a sunset shot of that shit.
Oh, fuck yeah. Smoking kill.